This is the globe. This is actually retired now. I didn't know it had retired yet, but it is retired. So you can't get this one anymore unless you buy it off of somebody. Or you see it in a store that hasn't like gotten rid of it yet. But honestly, the globe I hardly ever saw in any stores. So the globe was kind of hard to find. This is a Lego idea set number 40, as it says up there. It is set 21332. It is an 18 plus set, and it has 2,585 pieces. It is going to be big. And there's a lot of technique in it to get it that nice circular shape. Of course, the ideas franchise is share your idea, gather support, then there's a Lego review, and then a new Lego product. The name pieces on here are going to glow in the dark. So it says right there. There's a still life picture of it, and there is the dimensions. It's going to be 10 inches wide and 16 inches tall. It's going to be a big fella, but I'm super excited to build this. So let's get in.
Our amazing planet. We humans have migrated, wandered, and traveled across the globe in every conceivable way. Drawn to new horizons and cultures, we have crossed mountains, deserts, jungles, and ice caps. We have sailed and flown across oceans in search of treasure, trade opportunities, adventures, or a better life. A tiny speck on the intergalactic map, hurtling through space, forged, roughly speaking, of stardust and nuclear waste, our planet and life on it is quite the astronomical oddity. From ancient myths to modern scientists, science fiction writers, great thinkers, and explorers, we have used the sun and the night sky to navigate and map out our planet and understand our place in the universe. Jules Verne wrote of the traveling around the world in 80 days in 1873, when ships, trains, and horses were the fastest means of transportation, and travel was a privilege reserved for the wealthy few. Now we can circumnavigate the world in a matter of hours. Even with the most minute details of the earth mapped out, every day brings fresh discoveries from new paths in your own neighborhood, and the changing of the seasons to unknown species of flora or fauna. Mapping out the history of globes. Terrestrial and celestial globes have existed for over 2,000 years. In his book On the Heavens from 350 BCE, Aristotle was the first to record that the earth was a circle of no great size. He based this conclusion on his observations of the movement of the stars and planets in the night sky from different countries. A known Greek mathematician went on to calculate the Earth's circumference within a stunningly accurate 1 to 10% margin of the modern popular measurement of 24,901.4 miles. Unlike a 2D map, the globe represents the placement of the oceans and land masses without distorting proportions or distances. Globes were originally used by scientists, scholars, and aristocrats to study geography, topography, bathymetry, and the Earth's rotation. Parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude identified locations with extreme precision on land or on sea. Globes helped rulers, merchants, sailors, and explorers avoid peril at sea, navigate the safest routes between points of travel, or conquer new land. Modern GPS devices are based on the exact same spherical coordinate system and used in everything from phones to space shuttles, but a classic globe will always represent our spirit of adventure and curiosity in ways no digital device can do. It is a treasured, tangible reminder of the places we love, live in, and explore. Fun facts. The Earth's total surface area is approximately 196,950,711.07 square miles, with about 71% covered by water, 29% landmass. The set contains 2,585 Lego bricks. In real life, it would take 1,200,000 252,343,750 2x4 Lego bricks lined up end to end to reach around the globe along the equator. The Lego globe is approximately scaled 1 by 48 million. More than 80% of our oceans are yet to be explored, but 40,389.1 mile long deep sea mid-Atlantic ridge is hard to miss. It is the longest mountain range on Earth and rises as far as 13,779.5 feet above the ocean floor. Meet the fan designer. Guillaume Rosal lives in France and studies engineering. His roots in the most visited country in the world and the home of Jules Verne may have influenced the talented 23-year-old Lego fans designer's passions for architecture, design, and travel. He built the globe in just 3 days, including the decorations and sticker designs. I've been a Lego fan since I was 3 years old. For this project, I wanted to build something creative, educational, and with the potential to reach as much of the world as possible. The Earth is not a perfect sphere, so one of my biggest challenges was shaping the continents, particularly the smaller islands in Asia and Oceania. I chose to focus on the larger islands. My goal was to build recognizable shapes of the continents with a nostalgic vintage touch. To shape the continents, I used Google Earth grid lines to identify the positions and details. The dark blue oceans, green land masses, white ice caps, brown pedestal, and hints of pearl gold achieved the perfect vintage look. This globe reminds me that we are part of an utterly unique community in our own little corner of the universe. It's a small world after all. Meet the Lego globe makers. I love sets that combine iconic objects and modern design with vintage inspiration, and this model is a reminder to respect, love, and preserve our planet. I was so impressed with its design and engineering. The custom lettering and decorations link a vintage feel with the modern look of Lego bricks, and the glow-in-the-dark tiles make the set truly unique. They remind me of vintage light-up globes that fuel our spirit of adventure. Christina Benescu, Lego graphic designer. I was truly impressed by Guillaume's model. Everyone in the world can relate to it. It was a fun challenge to work on the structure and make the land masses recognizable and, to a certain extent, accurate. I love to travel and became a great form of escapism during the 2020-21 pandemic. I would imagine sailing around the world on a sailboat while I worked on the model. I can't wait to see what creative modifications Lego fans will make to it. Luca Capeter, Lego senior designer. Combining two Lego worlds. The fan designer and the Lego senior designer combined the best of two Lego worlds when they built the globe and stand. They used advanced building techniques and integrated Lego system bricks with studs and tubes and Lego Technic elements with beams, pins, axles, and connectors to keep the model lightweight yet sturdy. The result is a seamlessly integrated art piece and a truly immersive building experience. Together we can rebuild the world. As we worked with a designer to build the perfect globe, it was only natural for us to wonder, what is a perfect world? What will our kids and future explorers discover about our planet 10, 100, 1,000 years from now? How can we leave a positive impact on the planet and help build a safe world for future generations? At the Lego Group, sustainability is a natural part of the goals we set. We work with partners, research institutions, and families all over the world to find new creative ways to make a difference. We are exploring solutions for the Lego Group that will have a positive impact on the planet our children will inherit. Sustainability is vital to how we live, play, and work together.
You know this is a fragile and big set when they tell you in the instructions how to hold it. And so we're trying to be very careful with it. It's huge. It's literally the size of an actual globe. I mean, I was kind of hoping it would be, but I didn't expect it to be, and it spins like one. I love it so much. And it is all print. Thank goodness. No stickers at all. The discs and everything's printed. So I'm very glad I didn't have to apply any stickers. So you start off with this lovely wooden base. We have the earth right there with the gold border. The lovely like brown and gold accents all the way up the handle. Look amazing. Even got some printing down here. Just turn. There we go, some more down there. That's really, really neat. We'll see if I can hold it and not drop it like this. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy that right there was printed. That compass is actually 5 pieces and each piece was printed. Thank goodness. Look at the bottom half of it. It looks amazing. We'll take a look at the top of it. It has a little sailboat right there. Has the oceans labeled, the continents labeled. It has, I don't know how well you can read it because right now it's upside down, I just realized, but Arctic. So this is really neat. And the build of it, definitely repetitive, because once we got to the globe base of it, you build the center ring and then the device that goes from the top to the bottom, and then you hook all these panels down into Technic pins and then clip it into the top, and every other panel is the same. So as you can see, let me see if I can show you. We have kind of this panel here, straight and angled, but then it switches to straight and then angled to try and give it that nice ball shape. So every other one is exactly the same. So this is basically a lot of repetition. The globe itself is repetition, and then after you built each piece, then it would tell you what plate work to put on it to make it look like the globe. So rather neat. While it was a lot of repetition and my fingers hurt from all the Technic in it, it's a beautiful build, and I'm absolutely happy with it. It's going to make a beautiful display piece. I mean, it is just gorgeous, and I love the fact that it spins, and it's rather heavy, but this holds it so well. And oh, I forgot to mention, there are tires right here, there, and there. There are 8 tires on the bottom of this, so once you set it on something, it will not slide and fall off, because if this fail, if this fell, it would be kind of a nightmare. But I mean, I had the instruction booklet. It'd be easy to put back to, wouldn't be easy to put back together. It'd be possible to put it back together. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everybody. Go build Lego like God. Have a great rest of your day.